On her very first day at Eastbrooke, Lucy Parker only wanted to survive her first day at the most prestigious school in America. But everything changed when she accidentally spilled water all over Asher Calloway, the wealthy heir nobody at school dared to cross. Within just a few hours, Lucy's name had already spread across Eastbrooke. But in this episode, things are about to get even worse, because Lucy has just found out she'll be sitting next to Asher Calloway every single day. So why would the teacher place her right beside him?
English. Daily love.
Did you hear the news? She is here. Yes, I am writing the story right now. Look, that is the scholarship girl. Just ignore them. Keep walking. Her shoes are so old. How sad. I need to get to class. Hurry up. Got the picture. This will go viral. Please delete that. It is not funny. Oh, wow. Look who is walking this way. Let's have a little chat with her. Excuse me. I need to get by. Is that bag from a thrift store? It looks terrible. It holds my books. That is all I care about. You really do not fit in here, do you? I am here to study, not to make friends with you. We'll see about that. Finally, a quiet spot to sit down. I just want to get through today without any drama.
Hey, Lucy. Is this seat taken?
No, it is free. Go ahead and sit.
You look a bit stressed. Are you okay?
I will be fine. I am just tired of the gossiping.
Well, look over there. I think I found my entertainment. Who? Oh, the scholarship girl. Hey, Nathan. You are in my seat. Actually, I was here first, Asher. I said move. Go find somewhere else to sit. Okay, take it easy. I will move.
Why did you do that? He was sitting there.
I prefer the view from this chair. Got a problem with it? Just stay on your side of the desk. Do not bother me.
I will do whatever I want. This is my school, remember? Quiet down, everyone. Let's begin the lecture. Please open your books to page 42.
This class is such a waste of time. Don't you agree?
Shh. I am trying to listen to the teacher.
Your handwriting is so neat. Are you taking notes for me?
Stop looking at my paper. Mind your own business. Cut it out! You are shaking my desk!
Oops. My leg slipped. Sorry about that.
As you can see, this equation is vital for the exam. I expect everyone to pay close attention to this part.
Let's see if she can focus now. Bullseye.
Ow! Did you just throw paper at me?
I have no idea what you are talking about. You are a child. Leave me alone.
Wow, quite a temper for a scholarship kid.
Excuse me, who is yelling in my classroom? We do not tolerate disruptions here.
Oh man, Asher is in trouble again. This is the best class ever.
Mr. Calloway and Miss Parker, both of you, stop talking right now. I have warned you before, Asher. Do not test me. Professor, it wasn't me. He was throwing things.
She is lying. I was just taking notes.
I do not care whose fault it is. I will not have this in my class. Both of you, go to Dean Holloway's office, right now. This is unbelievable. Thanks a lot.
Anytime.
Walking is good for you. I didn't need your help. If I lose my scholarship because of you, I swear.
You swear what? You will cry?
Go ahead. Just calm down. Do not let him win. I can handle this meeting. It will be fine.
You both know why you're here.
We do. What are you gonna do about it?
Asher, Miss Bennett told me about the incident in her class. I am very disappointed in both of you.
Sir, I did not do anything wrong. He started it. She just talks too much. I was trying to study.
Quiet, both of you. This is not a playground. Asher, your grades are terrible. You are failing.
I will pass the finals. Don't worry about my grades. My father makes big donations to this place anyway.
Donations will not save you from academic probation, Mr. Calloway. You need to figure this out, or you are out.
Sir, what does his grade have to do with me? Am I in trouble too?
You have top grades, Miss Parker, so I have a solution.
Yeah,
You are going to tutor him.
every day.
Tutor him? You have got to be kidding me.
This is a joke, right? I do not need her help.
It is not a joke. It is mandatory for both of you. If you refuse, there will be serious consequences.
No, absolutely not. I will not do it. He is awful to me. I refuse.
Before you make a final decision, Miss Parker,
Yeah.
look at the details of the tutoring contract.
I won't sign this.
You have no choice.
The school pays well for special tutoring services.
$500 a month? Are you serious?
That is a lot of money. Oh. I could actually pay for my transport with that. I am totally out of cash. How will I get home? This is a nightmare. My bus pass is expired. I can't afford a new one. I will have to walk in the rain again. I need a job. I really need to figure this out. Anything to make some money right now. $500. That solves all my problems. No. I can put up with him for that much. Okay, I will do it. I will tutor him.
Wait. What?
You just changed your mind?
Excellent choice, Miss Parker. Please sign right here.
This is ridiculous. I did not agree to this.
Done. I signed it. Thank you. Your sessions begin today.
Meet me in the library at 5 p.m. Don't be late.
You are going to regret this, scholarship girl.
What did I just get myself into? It is just tutoring. I can handle it.
A tutor? Let me guess. The scholarship girl?
Exactly. But she will give up by tomorrow.
It is already 5:30. He is late. I should just pack up and leave.
You are half an hour late.
Traffic was bad. Deal with it. Put the phone away and open your book to chapter 1.
I'll pass. I'm checking my messages.
We have a test tomorrow.
I already know this stuff.
You can do the homework for me. I will just sit here. That sounds like a fair deal, right?
I am not your maid. I am your tutor. If you don't study, you will fail the class.
Let me fail then. Why do you care?
I care because it is my job now. I need this to work.
Stop making that noise. It is driving me crazy.
You are so easy to annoy. It is too funny.
Tell me something. Why are you working this hard for the money?
Oh.
Is your situation really that bad?
My personal life is none of your business. Let's study. Look at the first question. I told you, I am not doing it.
You have to.
I am not leaving until we finish this page.
Fine. You want to stay here all night? Let's do it. I have nowhere else to be.
Good. I will write down the notes for you. You just listen. You are are so stubborn. It is unbelievable. The key formula here is about managing risk.
I am literally falling asleep right now.
Just listen.
Smug.
Sighs. Let's just finish this.
Enough. Stop talking like a teacher. Look at me when I am talking to you.
You are doing this on purpose. You want me to quit. But I will not. I need this job.
Is it just about the money? Really? How sad. I could just pay you to leave me alone.
Call me whatever you want. I do not care. Now, read paragraph 2 out loud.
You really don't give up, do you? Fine. I will read one paragraph.
The market trends show a decline in the third quarter.
Good, keep going. What does that mean for the company?
The company's profits will decrease. It's obvious.
It means they lose money. I am done. My brain hurts. That is enough studying for one day.
We only read one sentence. Sit back down.
Nope. Time is up. Good luck with your empty wallet.
Yes. I am desperate. Are you happy now?
A little bit, yeah. I will give you 10 minutes.
Thank you. Let's look at the next page.
You look terrible, by the way.
I work night shifts at a diner. Not everyone is rich. Can we focus on the book?
A diner? Do you serve burgers in a silly uniform? I need to see that.
You are such a jerk. You have no idea what real life is.
Maybe. But my life is definitely more fun than yours.
I am not going to argue with you anymore. Let's finish this. Write down this equation, now.
There. I wrote it down. Are you happy?
It is completely wrong. You missed a 0.
Who cares about 1 0? It is close enough. Math is for people who can't hire accountants.
I am dealing with a toddler. An oversized toddler. Fix it. Put the 0 back.
You are so bossy. Fine. I am fixing it.
Good. Now we are making progress.
Your bag is falling apart. Why don't you buy a new one? Is it a fashion statement?
You are always so defensive. It is interesting. Yeah?
I am not a science experiment. Stop staring at me. All right. It is 6 o'clock. We are done for today. I need to go catch my bus. Or walk.
You are really walking home in the dark? That sounds awful. Good luck.
I will survive. Sign the attendance sheet before I leave.
Bring it here. I will sign your little paper.
Thanks. I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Don't sound so excited.
It is just tutoring.
I am not excited. I just want to go home. Goodbye, Asher.
Wait a second. Stop right there. I need to ask you something before you run away.
What do you want now? I am tired.
You hate me. I know you do. So why didn't you quit?
Because I don't run away from a challenge. And you will not scare me off.
Is that so? You think you are tough? We will see about that, scholarship girl.
Yes, we will see. I am not quitting.
You are very brave. Or just very foolish.
So, you are really not going anywhere? You are sure about this?
I am absolutely sure. See you tomorrow. Be ready to study.
Wow.
Okay then. So you're stuck with me now?
You always win, don't you?
Someone has to.
See you in English Daily Love.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and stay with the channel. More simple and emotional stories are coming, and we will learn English together through each other. See you in the next story.